Hello friends, how are you? So friends, imagine removing your video background without a green screen and the result looks completely professional. Let me show you this free AI tool. In this video, I will show you how to remove video background using a free AI tool step by step. No editing skills required. Most people think removing background from videos needs a green screen and professional software is expensive, but this AI tool does it automatically in one click and it's completely free to use. Now let's see how this tool works step by step. First open Chrome and search for nobg.space. Now open the website. If you don't have an account, sign up. I already have an account, so I will continue. Now click on video background remover. You can also remove background from image here. Now upload your videos. I will use a random clip for testing. Now click on start processing. It will automatically remove the background. And here is the result. You can see the background is completely removed. You can add a solid color background or use stock images from here or upload your own background. You can also search background videos from Chrome and upload them here. This makes your video look more professional. So friends, this tool is free to use. You can use it for content creation and freelancing. So friends, you can use this for YouTube videos, reels and client projects. This can save a lot of editing time. Friends, in this video help you. Subscribe for more AI tools. See you in the next video. Take care and thank you.